In a world racing toward the future, technology is no longer just a tool. It's an extension of ourselves. From devices that transform how we see reality, to gadgets that empower our daily lives, the frontier of innovation is here. Step closer. Listen. Feel the pulse of progress and prepare to witness the top 10 gadgets that are reshaping our reality, one invention at a time. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead. Only here on Gadget Guru. Intro innovation is a journey, a dance between imagination and engineering. Some gadgets quietly make life easier, while others redefine the very way we interact with the world. In this collection, we explore creations that merge design, power, and vision. Tools that do more than function. They inspire. Each one a testament to human ingenuity, each one a bridge to tomorrow. Main story 1. Raino Air2 XR Glasses. Imagine slipping on a pair of glasses that transport you into augmented worlds, where work and play blend seamlessly. The Raino Air2 XR glasses boast a massive 2011 micro OLED display, delivering stunning 1080p HD visuals. They connect effortlessly to consoles, PCs, and phones. Comfort is paramount. 9 adjustable points ensure your ears and nose barely notice the 76-gram frame. Duck Swivel Rugged iPad Case. In fast-paced environments, retail floors, restaurants, even fieldwork, your device must keep up. Enter the Duck Swivel. With a 360-degree stand, elastic hand strap, and storage for pencils or styluses, it ensures your iPad is safe, accessible, and ready for action. Its rugged design withstands the rigors of movement, while its shoulder strap keeps hands free. Whether quoting a client or checking invoices on the go, this case turns your iPad into a mobile command center. DJI SDR Transmission. For filmmakers, distance is no longer a barrier. The DJI SDR transmission system guarantees stable, interference-free video at 1080p FHD. Multiple receivers can connect, while the USBC powered transmitter penetrates walls, ensuring flawless real-time monitoring. With up to 20 Mbps transfer and coverage spanning 10,000 feet, directors can capture every cinematic moment without compromise, whether in sprawling urban landscapes or remote wilderness. Mini Pro All-in-One Mini PC. The future of desktop computing has arrived in the form of the Mini Pro. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX and Radeon RX 680 MHz, this all-in-one PC delivers cinematic 4K visuals at 120 Hz on a 7-inch touchscreen. Expandable RAM and SSD storage make it as powerful as it is versatile. Ports abound: HDMI, DP, USB 3.2, Type-C, allowing seamless connectivity. Adjustable screen angles transform the Mini Pro into an immersive workstation, whether gaming, designing, or streaming content. Splash Zippy Wireless Charger. Sleek, futuristic, and precise. The Splash Zippy is a wireless charger for your desk, car, or e-bike. Silicone pads ensure stability, while an auto-opening clamp secures your device effortlessly. Fast 15W charging and rotatable alignment combine practicality with style. From car rides to cycling adventures, Splash Zippy keeps your devices powered and accessible, proving that functional design can also be visually captivating. P-Viz 2 Purifying Bottle. Hydration meets technology in the P-Viz 2. It purifies water at the touch of a button, eliminating 99.9999% of contaminants like E. coli and Salmonella. Self-cleaning technology activates every 2 hours, preventing odor and bacteria buildup. An integrated app tracks your daily water intake, turning hydration into a seamless, futuristic ritual. No more plastic waste, no more compromise, just clean water, intelligently delivered. Ivory Power Bank $40,000 For explorers, adventurers, and anyone who refuses to be tethered to a wall socket, the Ivory Power Bank is a lifeline. Compact yet formidable, it stores a staggering $40,000 more of energy in a waterproof, dustproof shell, ready to endure the harshest conditions. Dual USB-C and USB 3.1 ports deliver 100W fast charging, powering laptops, tablets, phones, and even multiple devices simultaneously. An integrated LCD display keeps you informed of remaining energy, while a 500-lumen flashlight doubles as a beacon in the wilderness. Whether scaling mountain trails, navigating remote roads, or camping under the stars, Ivory ensures that power is never a limitation. It is more than a battery. It is freedom in your pocket, a silent companion that guarantees your devices stay alive when the world around you feels off-grid. OET Station X Battery Charger. In a world still powered by AA and AA batteries, the OET Station X redefines efficiency and organization. Capable of charging 32 batteries at once, it powers double the speed of conventional chargers while keeping each battery safe with 8 layers of protection. Its integrated app allows real-time monitoring, so you always know which cells are ready for use. Ideal for gamers, photographers, and tech enthusiasts, this station transforms a mundane task into an effortless routine, silently ensuring your devices, from controllers to cameras, are always charged and ready. Yite Cube Smart Lamp. Where innovation dances with creativity, the Yite Cube emerges as more than just a lamp. It's a canvas for your imagination. This multifunctional smart cube can be stacked and arranged in endless configurations, transforming ordinary walls, desks, or shelves into living, vibrant pixel mosaics. Magnetic connections make assembly effortless, while an intuitive app and full voice control allow you to choreograph dynamic lighting routines that respond to music, games, or daily moods. Picture a room that shifts from serene twilight to pulsating, game-synced brilliance, each cube glowing in perfect harmony. Xenon Flex Gaming Monitor. Step into a universe of immersive gaming with the Xenon Flex, where every frame feels alive and every detail razor-sharp. Its 45-inch bendable OLED display adapts effortlessly, from flat for competitive MOBAs to an 800R curvature for cinematic simulations, tailoring itself to the way you play. With a stunning 3448x440 resolution, a silky 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-fast 0.3 ms response time, motion blur vanishes, leaving only fluid, lifelike action in its wake. Dual HDMI, DisplayPort, and USBC ports ensure seamless connection to every device, while advanced adaptive sync technology keeps visuals crisp under even the most intense gameplay. Designed for streamers, content creators, and hardcore gamers alike, Xenon Flex transforms your gaming station into a cinematic command center, where every pixel tells your story and every scene immerses you fully into a digital world. These 10 gadgets aren't just tools, they're companions, extensions of imagination, bridging the gap between reality and possibility. They remind us that innovation isn't only about speed or power, but about making life richer, more immersive, and more connected. As we explore these marvels, we glimpse the future, vivid, intelligent, and endlessly inspiring. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay ahead, only here on Gadget Guru.